Assalamualaikum class. Animal Diversity 1. Today we will discuss about the protostomes and the deuterostomes. Protostomes. Protostomes are those animals who are present in the phylum Platyhelminthes, nematodes, mollusca, annelida, and arthropoda. First of all, we will discuss about the different patterns in the protostomes, and then we will discuss about different patterns in the deuterostomes, and then comparison you will understand it very easily, clearly. Now first of all, cleavage is basically the rapid cell division of a fertilized egg. Just after fertilization, lot of division start, and this division divides into two categories according to their number of cells formation in the embryo or their arrangement. First of all, spiral cleavage. Spiral cleavage is the cleavage present in the protostomes in which the newly formed cell just form an angle with their parent cell, or their axis have the oblique orientation with in the zygote, and in 8 cell embryo the upper tier of cell will have some angle to the lower tier of cell, that is not just above the lower tier but have some angles, just like your spring one swirl have angle with lower or upper, just like this. Then cleavage is also of two types: determinate cleavage and indeterminate cleavage. Determinate cleavage have fate of cells already established. It means that in protostomes every cell know its fate. If an embryo is of 8 cells, then each 8 cell have some specific function. And first of all, if one cell have to divide into an eye or an embryo brain, then if you remove that cell, then the embryo will not form an eye or a brain part or a leg, kuch bhi. Here is a division. Here you see radial division and spiral division. I just shared this diagram for comparison. Spiral cleavage, you see 8 cells, then 16 cells, then 32 cells, and here is an angle. And if you consider the radial, then 8 cells, 16 cells, and there is just upper tier is below, just above the lower tier. But in case of spiral cleavage, there is some angle. This arrow show the angle, and in radial cleavage the arrow show the perpendicular direction. Then here is also some elaborated picture of that spiral cleavage and radial cleavage. Now coelom, the next feature. Coelom is basically the body cavity that is lined by the mesoderm in both sides. From ectoderm if you see, then mesoderm is there. From endoderm you see, the mesoderm is there. So this cavity is formed by splitting of mesoderm in case of protostomes. Mesoderm will get split and will form the cavity. They are schizocylous. Here is a diagram. Here you see the blue color. Just see the spiral cleavage, and this spiral cleavage will lead to gastrulation. And in gastrulation and embryo, you will see the blue lines. The blue lines are splitted mesoderm, and then these blue lines will get continue and will form the coelom, as in the next picture shows the blue lines mesoderm and the inner side is coelom. Then the blastopore will convert into mouth. This is an other feature of the protostome. The radial cleavage. Radial cleavage, you see the embryo will form the outpocketing, or pocketing is in the blue color. Just like the above diagram, blue color is mesoderm. In the lower diagram, blue color is also the mesoderm. Now this mesoderm is forming by the pocketing of archenteron. In upper diagram you see archenteron is in the center. So this archenteron will form the outpocketing, and this outpocketing will continue and will form the coelom. Then you see mouth, then digestive tubes, and blastopore convert into an anus. This is the feature of deuterostome animal. Then larva. How its larva is? Larva is basically depends upon the animal type. Again, in protostomes, the larva is top shaped. Here you see the larva having the red inside digestive tract, and then cilia, mouth, anus, you see, and this is called the trochophore larva. In deuterostomes it will be different. Then blastopore, as I have discussed earlier, blastopore convert into mouth in case of protostomes. Here is a blastopore. Blastopore basically forms when animal divide in the cleavage, and then animal form a blastopore. Blastopore is produced during the embryogenesis, during the gastrulation, and this blastopore will convert into mouth in case of protostomes and into anus in case of deuterostomes. Deuterostomes. Deuterostomes are those include those phyla who are in the chordate region and also in the invertebrate region, that is the Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Echinodermata and Chordata. Here is again the cleavage. Cleavage is a radial cleavage. So in this, mitotic spindle will form perpendicular to the axis of zygote. Perpendicular means that at 90 angle. When you consider your hand, then your finger and your thumb will form the 90 angle. So in this case, 8 cell embryo, the upper tier of cell will just above the lower tier of cell. There will be no angle like spiral cleavage. And indeterminate cleavage, basically in protostomes, determinate cleavage is present in very less complex animals. In deuterostomes there is a determinate cleavage, indeterminate cleavage. Indeterminate cleavage is the cleavage in which the fate of cell is unknown. If you consider your twins, you consider them that two babies, two girls or two boys sometimes born with the same faces, same basic features, same physical features. So that may indicate that the egg was fertilized by the sperm, then zygote in the two cell division gets separated, and each cell converted to a different individual, two separate individual produced. But in case of protosome, if two cells get divided and get detached, then there will be no organism because they have the determinate cleavage. Each cell have its own fate. But in case of deuterostomes, each cell can convert into an organism if that is in the early stage, like twins, your own twins, fraternal twins, identical twins. Then this is also important in case of induction. If you consider that notochord is the first organ that formed in the organisms, and any cell any cell that is present just above the notochord will convert into neural tube. If you displace the cells of the notochord into another region, then that will induce the production of neural tube in that another region. It means that notochord is important for neural tube formation, not the cells. cells are not important. First organ notochord is inducer. Here is again the diagram. You see protostomes, 1 cell, 2 cell, 4 cells, 8 cells, 16 cells, 32 cells. And here is the angle. But in case of radial cleavage, 1 cell, 2 cell, 4 cell, 8 cell, 16 cell, 32 cell. The first layer of the cell is just below the second layer of the cells. There is no spiral angle or no spring shape. This is just like the bricks. One brick, then second, then third, then fourth, then five. Then coelom. Coelom is formed by the outpocketing of Archenteron and they are enterocoelous. Here is a diagram. Radial cleavage. First you have discussed in the protostomes, and then radial cleavage. Radial cleavage is just form the embryo, and then this embryo will convert it into the gastrula. Now here is a larva, that is Diplurula larva. Just consider the tocopod larva. Tocopod larva is top shaped and Diplurula larva is little bit different. Then blastopore. Blastopore convert into anus. Here is a flowchart diagram. So you have to complete this. I have completed this, but in your own notebook you have to complete it by your own self. Protostomes versus deuterostomes. That is feature, cleavage, coelom formation, blastopore formation, then protostomes and deuterostomes. Cleavage is spiral in protostomes, deuterostome have radial, coelom will be schizocilous in case of deuterostome, enterocoelous, blastopore into mouth and deuterostome into anus. Thank you.